Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be filming a Christmas room tour. And yeah, let's just get started. So first we have this snowflake on my closet door. A little sparkly on the sides. And yeah, next we have this Noel door sign I got from the dollar store a few years ago. Looks like that. Then we got some little snowflake decals on my mirror, as well as on this mirror back there. I also keep a little light strand on my lamp right there. So that's it for that side. Over here on my bedding, we have my hooded blanket like this, just chilling right there. Sorry for the noise outside, by the way. And then we have this cute little gold bear, some Christmas pillows, another little bear with some snowflakes, and then my little penguin dude just chilling back there. On the ground here, we have my pink Christmas tree. And then moving on to my vanity area right here, or my dresser, we have this little red scarf that's dangling. And then my stocking up there. We have this frozen snow globe. Then we have this little gingerbread house. We have a, oops, move that along there. We have a Twisted Peppermint PocketBac and a 'Tis the Season candle. And then we have my little reindeer mug with some candy canes inside. Another little reindeer right there. Then we have this mailbox that says Festive Wishes. All or most of these things is from the dollar store, but I got them all like a couple years ago, so just a little heads up. Then we have this little dish full of candy canes, my Christmas mug, and my Christmas cup. Then we have this little tree right here, super cute. And then over here, I kept like that random ornament back there hanging up. Then we have little Frozen characters along here. My snow globe right here that says Hope. And yeah, guys, that's the room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.